Hello students, good morning to all. This is your economics teacher INR. I hope you are well and utilizing the time wisely. In the previous class, you learned about the meaning of macroeconomics, economic system, concept of macroeconomics and the circular flow of income. Today, you are going to learn about second chapter national income. We will discuss the meaning of national income and basic concept of national income. Please watch this video very carefully till the end. I am going to ask you a few questions from previous class. Question number 1. What do you mean by stock? Question number 2. What are the models of circular flow of income? Question number 3. How will you calculate three-sector model? Okay. Question number 1. What do you mean by stock? Stock refers to a quantity of a commodity measured at a point of time. In macroeconomics, money supply, unemployment level, foreign exchange reserves, capital, etc. are some examples of stock variables. Question number 2. What are the models of circular flow of income? There are three models of circular flow of income representing the major economic system. First one, two-sector model. Second, three-sector model. Third, four-sector model. Question number 3. How will you calculate three-sector model? Y is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where Y refers to national income, C is consumption expenditure, I is investment expenditure, G is government expenditure, plus X minus M refers to net exports. Fine. Let us enter into the second chapter, national income. First, we will discuss meaning of income. Okay, what is meant by income? In economics, when we refer to income, generally we mean money income. According to Seligman, income is the economic sense, is the flow of satisfaction from economic goods. We know that all economic goods from wealth, the main source of income is wealth. For example, if you own a house, it is your wealth. If you get rent from it, it is your income. Generally, people earn their income in the form of money. Okay, let us enter into the concept of national income. Please take the page number 19. First topic, meaning of national income. National income refers to the value of commodities and services produced by a country during a year. See the page number 19. Introduction topic. National income provides a comprehensive measures of economic activities of a nation. It denotes the country's purchasing power. Nobel laureate Simon Kuznets first introduced the concept of national income. Meaning of national income. National income means the total money value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a particular period of time or 1 year. Next, you are going to learn about definition of national income. Generally, national income is a measure of total value of goods and services produced by an economy over a period of time, normally a year. Commonly, national income is called as gross national product or national dividend. Some of the important definition of national income are those of leading economists like Simon Kuznets and Alfred Marshall. Take the page number 20. According to Simon Kuznets, the net output of commodities and services flowing during the year from the country's productive system into the hands of the ultimate or final consumers or into next addition to the country's stock of capital. Alfred Marshall definition tells us the labor and capital of country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities. Material means a substance that can be used for making or doing something, and immaterial means without material form or substance, including services of all kinds. This is the true net annual income or revenue of the country or national dividend. Second topic, basic concept of national income. The following are some of the concepts used in measuring national income. Point number 1, GDP. GDP means gross domestic product. Second point, NDP, net domestic product. Third point, GNP, gross national product. Fourth point, NNP, net national product. Fifth point, NNP and factor cost. Sixth point, personal income. Seventh point, disposable income. Eighth point, per capita income. Ninth point, real income. And 10th point, GDP deflator. First point, gross domestic product. Gross domestic product is the total value of output or goods and services produced by the factors of production. There are 4 factors of production: land, labor, capital, organization, within the geographical boundaries of the country. It can be expressed algebraically as GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M, where GDP means gross domestic product, C refers to consumption goods, I refers to investment goods, G refers to government purchase, X means exports, M means imports. X minus M is refers to net export. Point number 2, NDP, net domestic product. Net domestic product is part of gross domestic product. Net domestic product is obtained from the gross domestic product by deducting the quantum of tear and wear expenses or depreciation. Formula for net domestic product. Net domestic product or NDP is equal to GDP minus depreciation. Third point, gross national product. Gross national product is the total value of output or goods and services produced and the income received in a year by domestic resistance of a country. It includes profits earned from capital invested abroad. Formula for GNP includes 5 types of final goods and services. First one, value of final consumer and services produced in a year to satisfy the immediate wants of the people, which is refers to as consumption. That is known as consumption goods, C. 2, gross private domestic investment in capital goods consisting of fixed capital formation, residential construction and inventories of finished and unfinished goods, which is called as cross investment or investment goods. Third, goods and services produced or purchased by government, which is denoted by G or government purchase. Fourth one, net exports of goods and services, that is the differences between value of export and imports of goods and service, known as X minus M. Fifth one, GNP at market prices means the gross value of final goods and services produced annually in a country plus net factor income from abroad. In short, GNP indicates 5 types of final goods and services. First one, C, consumption goods. Second one, I, investment goods. Third one, G, government purchase. And fourth one is net export. And last one is net factor income from abroad. Formula for GNP. GNP at market prices is equal to GDP at market prices plus net factor income from abroad. Point 4. Net national product. Net national product is arrived by making some adjustment with regard to depreciation. That is, we arrive the NNP by deducting the value of depreciation from gross national product. The formula for NNP is equal to GNP minus depreciation allowances. Fifth point, NNP at factor cost. NNP refers to the market value of output, whereas NNP at factor cost is the total of income payments made to factors of production. The formula for NNP at factor cost. NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market prices minus indirect taxes. What is meant by indirect taxes? Taxes imposed on commodities and services are termed as indirect taxes. There is a change for shifting the burden of indirect taxes. Examples: sales tax plus subsidies. What is meant by subsidies? A subsidy is a form of financial aid or support extended to an economic sector, generally with the aim of promoting economic and social policy. Repeat once again the formula for NNP at factor cost. NNP at factor cost is equal to NNP at market prices minus indirect taxes plus subsidies. Point number 6, personal income. Personal income is the total income received by the individuals of a country from all sources before payment of direct taxes in a year. Personal income is derived from national income by deducting undistributed corporate profits and employees' contribution to social security schemes and adding transfer payments. What is meant by transfer payments? A payment made or income received in which no goods or services are being paid for, such a benefit payments or subsidies. It can be expressed algebraically in the form of equation as under: personal income is equal to national income minus social security contribution and undistributed corporate profits plus transfer payments. Point number 7, disposable income. Disposable income is also known as disposable personal income. It is the individual income after the payment of income tax. This is the amount available for household for consumption. Formula for disposable income. Disposable income is equal to personal income minus direct tax. Point number 8, per capita income. Per capita income or output per person is an indicator to show the living standard of peoples in a country. It is obtained by dividing the national income by the population of a country. It can be expressed algebraically as per capita income is equal to national income by population. Point number 9, real income. Nominal income is national income expressed in terms of a general price level of a particular year. In other words, real income is the buying power of nominal income. The real income is derived as follows: national income at a constant price is equal to national income at current price divided by P1 by P0, where P1 refers to price index during current year. What is meant by price index? A price index is a normalized average of price relatives for a given class of goods and services in a given region during a given interval of time. What is meant by current year? Current year refers to present year. Again repeats the formula for real income. National income at a constant price is equal to national income at a current price divided by P1 by P0, where P1 refers to price index during current year, P0 refers to price index during base year. Last point number 10. GDP deflator. What is meant by deflator? Deflator means a statistical factor designed to remove the effects of inflation. GDP deflator is an index of price changes of goods and services included in GDP. It's a price index which is calculated by dividing the nominal GDP in a given year by the real GDP for the same year and multiplying it by 100. It can be expressed algebraically in the form of equation as under: GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. That's all for today. We will continue in the next class. Finish the assignment by clicking the link below